Hey everybody, thanks for taking the time to check out our website today. My name is Jason Fairchild and I'm going to take you through the 2020 Pleasure-Way Lexor FL, one of my favorite floor plans. Follow me inside. Okay, come on in. Welcome to the Lexor FL. I like this floor plan and I'll tell you the reason why. It's real simple. You've got a little front lounge in it. That's what the FL stands for those of you that didn't know it. These seats will swivel. You've got a little table here, so you can eat, work from a computer right here, and if you wanted to, you could leave your back made up into the bed. It's a real simple reason. You don't have to mess with it. You can have this be your living space and that be your bedroom. Here we've got their monitor panel. It basically controls everything right from this monitor. It does the lights, it raises and lowers the bed. It's really easy and intuitive to use. I love it. It's one of the best ones out there and I can prove it to you. You come out and take a look and we'll go and compare it against the others. This is probably most people's favorites. When you come inside, you can see we've got some really pleasing colors in here, really nice cabinetry. You can leave it without having to hold it. Very good supports. Locks for when you're going down the road. You do have another control panel back here if you want to control things from where you're sitting or sleeping. A TV here with a sound bar below it. It is a Bose sound bar and an LG TV, so they use good products in their van. So this table right here easily can be removed. You can just not take it with you, or you can use it in other places along the van. And we do have a 2-burner propane stove, high faucet with a pull-out, and then a 1-piece large stainless steel sink. Real quick, the Pleasure-Way Lexor does give you one of the larger fridge and freezer combos in a B van, and then we've also got a very adequate bathroom. It is a wet bath, but it's more than enough room to get clean or use the restroom. You've also got a window in there to add a little extra light. Nice bright LEDs throughout. So we're gonna go over the exterior and finish up this video. Feel free to call me with any detailed questions you might have. You can go ahead and just kill the power, one button off, and that shuts down the entire house battery. So we do have an electric awning that runs the length of the van here. It'll come out 8 feet. It's electric, so you just push a button, in and out it goes. Very easy to operate. Here is our potable water fill. So it is behind a locking door, so no one can get to your water, at least not very easily, and mess with it. You've got some 110 power out here if you want to plug anything in. As we come around to the back, we don't have a ton of room, but both these doors do swing open, and even if you want, they can swing all the way around to the side. Let's make sure that's shut. We do have it set up to tow already. We're wired. Got the receiver, so if you want to tow something, this will do 3,500 pounds. It's got a backup camera up above. Over here, you can see we've got our exhaust here. This is for the generator, okay? It does come with a generator. Up here is your auto exhaust. And this is also an exhaust. This is for your LP furnace. So when you're running the furnace, this will exhaust out here, and it does get very hot. This is your Truma AquaGlow system, and it's kind of neat to look at, a little bit different. Very, very unique system, very powerful system. Call me with any questions on this. Back of the fridge here. Here, you've got your utility center. So you can turn your LP gas on and off from here. You've got a city water connection, your cable connection, and this is where you're going to tie in your 30 amp power cord and plug it into the park outlet. Hot and cold outside shower here. And then here, down below, we've just got access to our dump valves and a place to store our sewer hose. So here's our black dump valve and our gray dump valve. And if you want to store your sewer hose in there, you can do that. This is our gas lid right here. And come around and get another look at this nice front wheel drive Ram chassis. Pleasure-Way Lexor. It's a 2020. We just got this in. Love this product. Call me with any questions. My name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.